What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best cabin air filter on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is KARCOCA Cabin Air Filter. KARCOCA Cabin Air Filter helps maintain better air quality inside vehicles. This filter is designed for compatibility with many models from Honda and Acura, including popular vehicles such as Honda Accord, Honda Civic, Honda Odyssey, and Acura MDX. The dimensions of this filter are 9.25 inches in length, 8.84 inches in width, and 1.2 inches in thickness, making it suitable for a variety of air conditioning systems. The unit includes multiple filter layers. The first layer is made from a melt-blown electrostatic surface. The second layer contains a high-efficiency particulate air structure, and the third section includes activated carbon sourced from nutshell material. Together, these sections work to trap particles found in cabin air, helping to reduce exposure to unwanted dust and odors. This system is rated MERV 13 and designed to reduce fine particles, including those above 0.3 microns. By improving cabin air, it supports more comfortable driving in various weather conditions and road environments. Drivers may also notice less odor over time as the carbon layer helps absorb gas-based contaminants. This filter is intended for direct replacement and does not require additional equipment to install. It is best to replace this unit every 3 to 6 months or after traveling between 5,000 and 10,000 kilometers to ensure continued performance. Keeping the air inside clean benefits passengers during both long road trips and short daily use. In our list, the number 4 product name is Bosch Hepa Cabin Air Filter. Bosch Cabin Air Filter offers a clean interior environment by reducing airborne particles in vehicles. This filter is built to fit various models from Lexus, Subaru, Toyota, Pontiac, and Scion. Its design includes a dense structure layered with melt-blown material and static cotton, created to support high-efficiency filtration inside your vehicle. The filter measures 9.25 inches in length, 9.65 inches in width, and 1.77 inches in thickness. This unit is engineered to meet established filtration standards and captures small particles to help protect passengers from common airborne irritants. It supports vehicles such as the Lexus RX, ES, GX, and LS series, Subaru Legacy and Outback, Toyota Camry, Corolla, RAV4, Prius, and many more. The advanced layered material helps trap particles such as dust, pollen, and other microscopic pollutants. This product is designed to fit directly into compatible air systems without added treatments or scents. The frame contains structural ribs for added stability during use, allowing it to maintain performance across its lifespan. The unit is intended to be replaced every 12 months or 12,000 miles to help maintain air quality over time. Bosch designed this cabin filter to be suitable for models built between early 2000s through 2023. The filter material works to enhance overall air freshness by reducing particle exposure from the outside environment. It contributes to a more comfortable driving experience in both daily city use and extended road travel. In our list, the number 3 product name is Puroma TwoPack Cabin Air Filter. Puroma Cabin Air Filter is designed to support interior air quality in various vehicles, including many Honda and Acura models. This unit comes in a pack of 2 and is made using carbon fiber material. Each piece measures 6 inches in length, 4.5 inches in width, and 1 inch in thickness, providing coverage for most standard cabin systems. The construction includes a combination of soda-woven layer and activated charcoal to help reduce impurities from circulating in the passenger area. This replacement fits air conditioner systems in models such as Honda Civic, Clarity, CR-V, CR-Z, Fit, HR-V, Insight, Odyssey, Accord, and Pilot, as well as Acura RDX, TLX, MDX, and Integra, covering a wide range of recent model years. The filter structure helps reduce the presence of particles that may affect the comfort and cleanliness of the vehicle atmosphere. Its design helps maintain a clean airflow and supports heating and cooling performance by allowing steady circulation through the system. Routine replacement is recommended every 12,000 miles, or sooner for vehicles operating in dust-prone or high-traffic environments. The compact design supports a straightforward installation process, which can typically be done without tools in under 15 minutes. The item is produced by Puroma and classified under home product grade. This replacement part is suitable for maintaining regular upkeep of air quality inside the vehicle cabin. Proper use of such filters can contribute to the long-term performance of the interior air system. It supports both driving comfort and basic health by limiting exposure to airborne irritants and odors during travel. In our list, the number 2 product name is FRAM Fresh Breeze Cabin Air Filter. FRAM Fresh Breeze Cabin Air Filter supports a wide selection of vehicles, offering interior airflow protection across multiple brands. This replacement is compatible with several Subaru models like Legacy and Outback, Scion series including M, TC, XB, and XD, as well as Pontiac Vibe. A significant number of Lexus vehicles such as CT200H, ES300H, ES350, GS models, GX460, IS models, LS460, LS600H, NX200T, NX300, RX350, and RX450H also fall under supported applications. Toyota drivers with models including 4Runner, Avalon, Camry, Corolla, Highlander, Land Cruiser, Matrix, Mirai, Prius Series, RAV4, Sequoia, Sienna, Tundra, Venza, and Yaris can find compatibility with this filter. Jaguar XE, XF, I-Pace, and F-Pace, along with Land Rover Discovery, Range Rover, and Velar series, are also included in the supported list. This filter matches several part numbers from General Motors, Land Rover, Purolator, Subaru, and Toyota, making it a suitable alternative in a wide range of vehicles. Designed for easy placement behind the glove box, it typically takes around 15 minutes to install. Built with arm and hammer baking soda alongside carbon elements, this filter targets airborne irritants such as smoke from wildfires, allergens like pollen, and general dust. Keeping this part up to date helps reduce the load on the vehicle's HVAC system, especially under harsh weather conditions or during long travel periods. With regular changes, drivers can maintain better air circulation inside the cabin and enhance comfort during every trip. The FRAM Fresh Breeze air filter plays a part in reducing exposure to outdoor pollutants and improving the overall interior driving environment. In our list, the number 1 product name is Puroma Cabin Air Filter. Puroma Cabin Air Filter is made for vehicle owners who want fresher interior airflow without complex steps. This replacement filter is designed to match several models from both Honda and Acura. It supports a wide list of vehicles including Honda Civic, CR-V, Odyssey, Accord, Pilot, Passport, Crosstour, and Ridgeline. Acura vehicles such as ILX, MDX, RDX, TL, TLX, RL, RLX, TSX, and ZDX are also compatible. With activated carbon and dense material construction, this air filter is made to help manage unwanted smells and improve the comfort level inside your car. The carbon-based layer helps block airborne pollutants, which may reduce exposure to dust and other small elements during daily driving. A proper fitting filter allows air to flow through the heating and cooling system while minimizing blockages. Installing this cabin filter does not require complicated tools or professional help. It is placed behind the glove compartment in most vehicles and takes just a few minutes to switch out with the old one. Keeping a clean air filter is important for both air circulation and the overall health of the climate control system. For best results, replacing this part yearly is suggested. In dusty regions or heavily trafficked areas, more frequent changes can be helpful. Having a clean filter may allow the heating and cooling system to work more smoothly, especially in extreme weather. With its wide coverage across multiple years and models, this filter is suited for those who need an easy option to support interior comfort and air freshness during travel.